Many of our customers enjoy security lighting on the exterior of their homes to help illuminate targeted dark areas. And this is a wise decision. Lighting helps with crime prevention by environmental design. That's why security companies and law enforcement agencies alike recommend exterior lighting, because about 60% of burglaries occur at night. When it comes to security lighting, there are a lot of options. You can purchase motion sensor lights that kick on whenever they detect movement. Or if you're looking for something even more helpful in the event of an intrusion, you can purchase motion sensor lights that are attached to a camera, so it will actually capture footage as it detects movement. If you would prefer that an outdoor space be illuminated throughout the entirety of the dark night, there are plenty of timed lighting options that could serve you for the whole evening. And our technicians would be happy to provide, install, and train you on how to set it up. To be clear, we are not associated with any security lighting company or vendor, and we do not sell these lighting options to you. We're just familiar with a lot of the options because of the nature of our trade, so we want to help assist you in the process. So call on Pat Murphy Electric if you want some help illuminating your space.